Okay, so another kuan class, no? Kana siyang scenario, no? For example, we will rev surf, no? The object, no? So, kita sa kuan class, no? We go to southeast isometric, no? Okay, here, no? So, we can rev surf, no? In iso view, no? Isometric view or in plan view, no? So, what we will do is class, no? We will rev surf, and then instead of 360 degrees, we will use 90, no? And we will see the difference, no? Okay, rev surf, enter, no? Again, no need to set the surf tab 1 and surf tab 2 because it's already set, no, to 30, no? Unless you want to change, no? Surf tab, rev surf, no? Rev surf, enter, select object to revolve, then select axis, no, of revolution, then click that point upper, and then click that point lower. Then instead of 360, we will use 90, no? Enter. Okay, so click this one, choose shaded or shaded with edges, no? So basically here, no, click this one, no, for orbit, no. Its revolution is up to kuan lang class, no? 90 degrees, no? Because we set man the 90, no. So if it's 360, then the whole kuan siya. It's a complete form, no.